With the goals of digital transformation being to have investments in IT pay for themselves in order to drive growth, it's necessary to get that engine started. Well, a good tipping point is to focus on IT transformation. IT transformation is all about trying to improve the efficiency of operations. Whether you're trying to reduce the time and money spent across your entire infrastructure or by increasing the value of the data, those three pillars are required to really get that engine started. So let's talk about saving time. A key concept in saving time in IT these days is automation. Whether you're leveraging more automated deployment processes or automatic maintenance and support, or by using more cloud-as-a-service solutions, which significantly shift the demarcation point between what you need to manage and what your providers will cover. Saving money. Reducing cost in IT means taking a look at how you're spending and what value you're actually getting back. Trying to reduce shelfware and leverage more efficient licensing, more merchant silicon, and less ASICs at all layers. Leveraging new storage capabilities that are not just faster, but also more reliable. Many operations that used to require special controllers to provide line speed capabilities are just not necessary, and they may actually be a bad investment. And finally, how do you go about increasing the value of your data? Well, you're going to need more integration between applications, which is going to actually lead to better performance by reducing silos and reducing walls between data, services, telemetry, getting more reporting and analysis across all your assets with the goal ultimately of improving utilization and innovation.